Hey guys, Carlos here with Bearable Traders, and here's my recap for today. Not an exciting day, not sexy at all. One day that was pretty much flat for the entire day on the one trade that I took, but I still wanted to give you guys this recap. On a normal day, I will not give you this recap because there's nothing exciting about it. But for this week, at least, I want to give you a recap for the whole week so you can see how things laid out. So Monday, we had an amazing day. Turned out very nice on one trade. On Tuesday, we had a one winner, one loser, but it also turned out very nice and green. On Wednesday, yesterday, we had a loser, so we lost on that day. That was the red day. And today we have a break-even day. So kind of give you a sample set of what a week looks like of trading. And this way you're not left out on what's going on throughout the days. But so I want to do this recap. Let me know in the comments if this is something you want to see. If you're not interested, leave it out. Don't ever do this again, Carlos. Or if you would like to see this so you can get a feel for what the entire week looks like. And also keep in mind, guys, that this can happen in any type of order. So for example, if you're trading and you start your Monday with your red day, and then your Tuesday could be a small green day, and then your Wednesday could be the red day. So it can be in any type of order, and then Thursday could be your big day, and then Friday could be your break-even day. So it can lay out and fall in so many different places, in so many different orders. You just cannot let those red days discourage you and take you out of your comfort zone and out of into a situation where you want to overtrade or make your money back, right? Again, thinking probabilities doesn't matter how they land. As long as those red days are small and controlled, that's all that really matters. First, I want to show you guys RAD. So RAD, this was a great setup. I was watching this at the open, and right in here, this is the 5-minute mark. Let me show you guys. Right in here, I was thinking of going long, and I wanted to get a little bit more of a pullback for that pullback I like to see in the 5-minute opening range, and it never came. And the minute I decided, okay, you know what, this is the pullback, I'm gonna hit the button, it pops up about 30 to 40 cents. And at that time, you just cannot chase it. So I missed out on a very good move. But I'm glad that I was patient and kind of, just looking for that setups over and over again, that opening range breakup every single morning, looking for that type of setup, waiting for the 5 minutes. Here was an opportunity. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to capitalize on it. The next trade I had was on CCL. So CCL from the gate, this thing just starts selling off nasty, just dropping really fast here. A lot of people took the Rising Devil strategy, which I have yet to try out because it's something that I got to really test out and see how fast, if I can react to that type of strategy. But again, it's a beautiful strategy. It works very well. Check out Thor's recap that he did today. He traded this amazingly. And also Andrew had an amazing trade on CCL as well today. So I waited for the 5 minutes. So here was the range that was created. I waited for the pullback. As you can see on the one, you get a small pullback right on here. Stop loss above the VWAP. But as you can see here, a better entry would have been around here for a better risk to reward. But again, stuck to my plan, wait for that 5 minutes. I thought this would have been the pullback and would have sold off after giving us this pullback on the way down, but that didn't quite work. So this thing comes down, breaks the low of the day, but I have a target at least at 43.50. I'm trying to get at least 1-to-1 on this to take my first partial. It doesn't quite do that. It gets stuck around 43.80, continues to bounce between there and my stop loss, and then the entire day was just doing this. Now, don't get me wrong, I am not watching this the whole time as I'm sitting here. You set a range order. What you do is you set your stop for the entire amount up here, and then you set an order for your one partial or your partial at 43, and then you have alerts on Dash Trader Pro that can ding you once any of those orders get filled. So in the meantime, I'm doing other stuff as well because there's no way that you can sit here and watch this the entire day, which just drive you crazy. Set an alarm. I finished up some calls and I came back and I realized, okay, we still have not done anything. Basically just chopping around between this line here towards the end of the day. I took everything out 5 minutes before right here and made a whopping $1.90. So again, guys, not every day is sexy and green and big, but again, just want to show you what a whole week looks like when when things are not always green or not always red. You have your ups and downs and you have your break-even days. So let's see what tomorrow brings for us at the market. So join us at 8:30 Eastern time for the pre-market show, and let's see what stocks are going to be in play tomorrow and what we can get out of it to end the week. Again, tomorrow is Friday, so I will be taking it easy. I am green for the week and hope you are as well. So tomorrow's a day for us not to force anything to go into a great weekend. Also, if you are red, tomorrow is also not a day to force anything because the market is going to be back the following week as well with more opportunities for us to trade well and continue to have good discipline. Take care, guys. Have a great Thursday evening, and I'll see you guys tomorrow at 8:30 Eastern time.